Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to use scroll view in Flutter. So this is the basic layout of Flutter. If you don't know how to create this, just watch my previous video and come to this tutorial, then only you can understand more clearly. So let me get into the video. Inside scaffold, type app bar and app bar, let me give title to the app bar. Text, inside text I'm going to give scroll view. So there is another parameter inside scaffold called body. For that I'm going to use a column widget, and inside that I'm going to give children. Inside children we can give a list of widgets, so I'm going to use container with height 100, and I'm going to give color to colors dot red. Okay. So let me save it. See, it takes the full width. So if I add this, so if I add this continuously, I'm going to change the color, green, here yellow, here blue, and here. So first let me save it. I'm going to add two more. And here I'm going to give amber, and here I'm going to give teal. So if I save, see here there is an error, we can't scroll after this. So to overcome this error, we are going to use a widget called single child scroll view. See, wrap with widget, and I'm going to add single child scroll view. If we save this, this error will be gone, so we can scroll this, right? Since this is column, we get like this. If it is row, see, everything disappeared since we haven't give the specified width. So I'm going to change this width, right? And I also have to give the height. 100, and here, here, come on. So if I save this, we get like this. So let me copy this, or I change the width. See, here we get an overflow. By default the single child scroll view will be vertical, so we have to change the direction of the scroll. So to change, we have to see here a parameter called scroll direction axis dot horizontal. If we change this, we can scroll in horizontal, right? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.